up, y'all? We're back in the van, and today we're working on the bed. So far, I've got the extended frame built on top. So this is the original bed, but it was way too small for the mattress I wanted in here. So I extended it 8 inches on each side, and the bed is about 60 inches wide by 70 inches long. So these will be the long beams. They'll kind of go like this, you know, and then one on the other side, and then some cross beams across. But I'll show you guys how it works. We just plug in the keys, and then we click the sofa button right there. So if we wanted to go down, it's a little slow, but it goes all the way down and back up. So it allows for more room in the back, and around this area I'll have a cabinet here, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna keep working on this, get some more wood, and show you guys how I'm gonna do this. All right, let's get it. What's up, everyone? I wanted to show you some progress on my bed build. So I got this bottom piece all leveled out with the cross beam, and then the long beam will go right here and out, and then it'll run across above this. That's why this one's higher. So I've got it leveled out right there, and I'm gonna screw this in to keep it leveled, right, and run the long beams right there out. So let's do it. All right, so I got some of the back piece together on it. I'll show you what it looks like when it goes up. Pretty slick. So I'm gonna put the this is gonna be the bottom right here. It's gonna line up like that. And then I'm gonna put the cross beams on and everything, and so let's do it. Hey y'all, I'm out here working on the bed frame. Thought I'd show you some progress. So I installed these hinges for when it's up, it'll be like this. And when it's down, it goes out. For more support, I think I'm gonna either put some Velcro or a hook right here. Make sure it doesn't flap around, but here's the extra supports. The top, bottoms, all close together, so you don't really need the middle supports. But I'm installing how I'm gonna install it to the ground, you know. So these are the brackets I'm using. I'm gonna cut that excess off, but it's on there tight. I'm drilling this hole now, right there, and let's get it done. Peace. All right, so I wanted to Show y'all the mattress, the frame. This is an RV mattress I got brand new for $20 on Craigslist. And here's the big couch reveal. I mean, it's pretty sturdy too. So this is what it will be like riding up. So to keep it from sliding around, I think I'm gonna zip tie. This is like a cover, so I'll poke a hole in the cover and put it around and zip tie it. Try to get it to stay the best it can, you know. So I'm gonna get up and do that. Here's the wiring. Went ahead and wrapped it around pretty nice. So I'm gonna get those zip ties on. So here's the bed down with the legs extended. Some nice room underneath for storage and whatnot. Zip tied on. Show you from this angle. Pretty big bed, which leaves me pretty small space here for like a cabinet, you know. So I think I'll put the sink there and maybe build a like kitchen area in the back or something. And the back doors, I'm not sure. But there's the bed, full angle. Pretty cool. But that's it for this video, and catch me on the next one. Bye.